Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to enable an extension in Google Chrome browser. Open Google Chrome browser on your computer. Click on the three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Hover your mouse on More Tools. Click on Extensions. Here you can find all the extensions installed on your Chrome browser. Locate the extension you want to enable and click the toggle button to enable it. To pin this extension, click the wrench icon in the address bar. Click the pin icon next to your favorite extension. That's it. Selected extension is now pinned to the address bar. This is how you can enable an extension in Google Chrome browser. Thank you for watching.